So, I'm assuming you guys just read the title and were probably like, how the hell did that happen? How the hell did I get sponsored? I'm actually being sponsored by a company called Alaska Aerial Media. This vlog is going to be just kind of a complete story talking about how my relationship to these guys and how they decided that they wanted to sponsor me. You know, a kid with only 500 subscribers. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly am I sponsored? And well, this right here, this nice, very, very fancy camera is what Alaska Aerial Media gave to me to help me make my vlogs even better. Alright, I'm going to flip this screen back because otherwise I'm going to be looking at it the entire time. Okay, there we go. So, you guys are probably wondering, how did Alaska Aerial Media find me, a YouTuber with only 500 subscribers, and decide, you know what, we're going to give this kid the equipment he needs to make better videos. Now, to go back, exactly what happened is, about 4 months ago, I was in a drone class at my school. We have a drone program that I was in that was taught by my teacher, as well as a couple guys from Alaska Aerial Media. And they had seen a lot of my videos, a lot of my vlogs, and they talked to me and they said, pretty much what they were saying was, we really like what you're doing, and they kind of wanted to almost bring me on to work with them. So this is kind of like, I'd say I'm kind of working with them, but but they were like, you know what, we want you to keep doing what you're doing, which is these vlogs, but we want to pretty much help you do that. So yeah, they are giving me an incredible opportunity, as well as a lot of amazing equipment, such as this camera right here, which I would not be able to afford by myself. So thank you guys very, very much. Their link is in the description. Go check them out. I just filmed that entire segment holding this with my right arm, and my entire right arm is already completely sore because I'm not used to carrying this around. But in a week or two, I'm gonna be fucking jacked. Holy shit. Alright, it's like 900 degrees. That is so hard to do. I've noticed now, I always want to look at the screen, so like I'm looking at myself to make sure I have everything right. But I know I should be looking directly at the lens, but that is so hard to do. Also, this is like 900 pounds. It's super heavy. Hey, you sexy animals.
It's not hard to look directly at the lens. Give me that.
Trust me. No. No, it's much harder. Hey. Hold on to it. Don't fucking drop that.
I'm looking directly at the lens because I'm not a fuck like Ian. Hi. I'm looking directly at the lens because I'm not a fuck like Ian.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry I care about framing and make sure that ISO and white balance and focus is right. You know, other people...
Fuck this shit.
I'm gonna see how long I can hold my breath. It's not for the camera. Perfect.
Project for the thing this weekend.
Okay, what's this? Okay.
Billy loves all of his cousins, especially me. Right? Okay, good.
I smell poopy apple. Okay, so let's Stinkies.
God, no. Dashi. Think of like 900 shots of just Dasha. Dude, you look crazy, man. That is actually super disturbing. Oh my gosh. I have it like right up to your eyes. Hi. How's it going? Hey. My name's Bob. I already got a really nice focus of Billy's face. It's amazing how like crisp it can get real close up.
crispier than the straws.
My gosh, watching you drink that milk really wants me to drink some milk. I'm gonna go drink some milk. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, I hope there should be a lot of really good vlogs to come. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah!